Hi, my name is Phương Vi and welcome to our presentation. We are Group 3 and today we are excited to share with you about our project Study Tools for English Văn Lang Students' Perspective. And this is our presentation outline. We have three sections: introduction, analysis, survey results, and highlight the general trend. And in the last section, this is summaries and our group's opinions. First of all, I want to introduce my members. This is Quỳnh Nghi, me, Phương Vi, Phúc Vân, Hoàng Anh, and the last one is Yến Vi. So the topic that our group choose is memories and learning. So where did this topic come from? Well, it all started with a simple goal. We wanted to discover more effective ways to learn English. As college students, we know how important English is, so that's why we became interested in exploring popular English learning tools and how students use them in real life. From this idea, we developed a project called Study Tools for English Văn Lang Student Perspective. Our research focuses on these main questions: which English learning tools are commonly used by Văn Lang University students? To answer that, we created a short survey and collected responses from different students at our university. We asked about what tools they use, such as AI, Duolingo, Cambridge Dictionary, or Lingodeer, how often they use them, why they choose those tools, and whether they find them effective.
Hello everybody, I'm Ni and I will continue the presentations with the purpose of the series. We want to better understand how Văn Lang University students learn English and the tool they commonly use, thereby being able to design the various learning methods for them. Next, we will have a list of the survey questions. We want to ask this close-end question to better understand the tool that Văn Lang University students use to support English learnings. We select 5 tools that we believe most common, including AI, Duolingo's, Lingodeers, and Cambridge dictionaries. For each tool, we ask 5 questions to find out more about the frequently they are used and the reason why the user chose them. This will be very helpful for us to better understand people's habits in using this tool.
So, hi everyone. Today I am going to present the results of a survey about popular tools that help students learn English. So, first, we can see that Duolingo is the most famous tool with over 10 million paying users and hundreds of millions of users in total. Memrise is also quite well known, with around 65 to 100 million users. The other tools have fewer users and limited public data, so now let's take a look at the results from our class survey. In our survey, we focus on 4 tools: AI, Duolingo, Lingodeer, and Cambridge Dictionary. Interestingly, no one in our class chose Duolingo, so we only analyze the other 3. Among them, we most used tool is AI, with about 39.5% of students using it. The second most popular tool is Cambridge Dictionary, with 31.6%, and Duolingo comes next with 28.9%. About AI, we asked students how often they use AI to study English. We see the results show that half 53.3% of students use AI every day. Half 26.7% use it a few times a week, and 20% use it once a week. We also asked if students think AI can replace human English teachers. Half 60% say yes, and half 40% say no. This shows that many students trust AI, but not everyone believes it can fully replace a real teacher. We asked students which AI tool helps them most in learning English. A very large number, 86.7%, choose ChatGPT. Only 13.3% choose Gemini. When we asked why they use AI instead of going to an English center, here are the top reasons. The big reason is because it's convenient and flexible. 40% of students choose this, and have 26.7% say it's free or low cost. Have 13.3% say they feel less reserved, and 20% choose it because they like using modern technology. Now let's talk about Duolingo. Have 45.5% use it every day. Have 45.5% use it a few times a week, and only 9.1% use it really rarely. When asked if Duolingo is easy to understand, most students have 90.9% say yes. As for the reason why students choose Duolingo, have 54.5% say it's easy to use. Have 36.4% say it feels like a game, and 9.1% say they use it because friends recommend it. We asked students which English skill they focus on the most when using Duolingo. Most students have 63.6% to speaking, have 18.2% say reading, have 9.1% say writing, and another have 9.1% choose listening. Also, we asked whether students apply what they learn from Duolingo in real life. Have 81.8% say yes sometimes. Now let's move on to Cambridge Dictionary, which is the online website. We asked how often students use it. Have 66.7% use it a few times per week. Have 16.7% use it once a week. Have 8.3% use it every day, and 8.3% use it rarely. We also asked students if they find Cambridge Dictionary easy to use. Out of 19 students, have 11 students say yes and 8 students say no, so the answers are quite balanced. We asked what is the most important reason students use Cambridge Dictionary. The most popular reason is accuracy, chosen by 66.7%. Then 25% choose easy to use, and 8.3% like its user-friendly interface. So lastly, we asked if students would recommend Cambridge Dictionary to other English learners. Have 58.3% say definitely, and have 41.7% say maybe. So, in general, most students would recommend it to their friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Phúc Vương. So today we'll talk about the recommendation and observation. ChatGPT is currently the top choice for effective English learning via AI, but other tools like Gemini are developing and could become strong competitors. And the Cambridge Dictionary is highly valued for its comprehensive approach to language learning. This ranks highly of a shift in English learning methods on the increasing role of technology, especially AI, in education. So the next slide is lack of interest in Lingodeer. Lingodeer received no vote from students in Manglang University. These diverse learning preferences. Students have diverse learning preferences with some prioritizing skill and other focusing on reading and listening. Role of AI in education. 60% of survey participants believe AI can replace teachers. But AI view more as a supporting tool than a complete replacement for teacher. So the next slide is lack of interest in Lingodeer. Lingodeer received no vote from students in Manglang University. These diverse learning preferences. Students have diverse learning preferences with some prioritizing skill and other focusing on reading and listening. Role of AI in education. 60% of survey participants believe AI can replace teachers. But AI view more as a supporting tool than a complete replacement for teacher. So the next slide is lack of interest in LingoDeer. LingoDeer received no vote from students in Văn Lang University. These diverse learning preferences. Students have diverse learning preferences with some prioritizing skill and other focusing on reading and listening. Role of AI in education. 60% of survey participants believe AI can replace teachers. But AI view more as a supporting tool than a complete replacement for teacher. So the last one is interesting trends. Popularity of AI tool. AI is the most popular English learning tool chosen by 43.8% of students. ChatGPT is the most recommended AI tool with 86.7% of AI users selecting it. And students value AI for its convenience, flexibility, and low or no cost. Use of Cambridge Dictionary. The Cambridge Dictionary is highly rated for its accuracy and easy of use, with 91.7% of user finding is user-friendly. Uh, so the last one is appeal of Duolingo. Duolingo is popular for its game like fun and easy of use, with 54.5% of users choosing it for this reason. 63.6% of Duolingo using focus on improve their speaking skill. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Hoàng Anh. Today I'm presented the part summary main finding and the opinion. First is the summary and finding. In this part, these results highlight a strong trend towards modern, accessible digital tools in English language acquisition. First, the survey revealed a clear preference for AI tools. 43.8% among Văn Lang University students for English language for English learning, aligning with expectation. Second, Cambridge Dictionary show 30.3% and Duolingo show 24.2% were also popular, while LingoDeer received no traction. Each tool appeal lay in distinct strength: AI for convenience and flexibility, Duolingo for fun or ease of use, and Cambridge Dictionary as a reliable all-in-one reference. Next, we will move to the opinion. Here, my group have three main ideas for the opinion. First, AI is the first choice of Văn Lang students when learning English, surpassing both language learning applications and online dictionaries. This reflects the change in learning methods and the belief in the ability of artificial intelligence to support. Second, Duolingo is a popular tool for basic learning but it may not be enough to equip learner with the confidence and skill necessary to use English effectively in life. Second, overall, the Cambridge Dictionary is a versatile and reliable English learning tool for the surveyed group of people, especially use of in understanding grammar and complex aspects of learning, such as idiom, rather than just looking up sight word.